Welcome! In this tutorial, you're going to meet Phantom. Before we begin, please ensure Phantom is in an upright position. Now, cut the protective seals on either side of the outer layer. Gently slide the casing away from you, freeing them from the outer layer. To reveal Phantom, remove the sleeve. Carefully place your hands underneath the body, avoiding the woofers. Connect the power cable at the rear, then plug Phantom into a power socket. Download the Devialet app for Wi-Fi setup or start listening instantly using Bluetooth. Please note, Phantom likes to be kept on a stable surface close to the wall. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you have a great time using Phantom.